Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Bitly for branded tracking and affiliate link insights easy to First, open your web browser. Type in bitly.com in the address bar and hit enter. Once the Bitly homepage loads, you'll see a prompt to either sign up or log in. If you're new to Bitly, click on sign up to create an account. You can sign up using your email address or choose to use social media accounts. After signing up, verify your email if prompted. Now, log into your Bitly account. On the dashboard, locate the Create button in the top right corner. Click on Create to start making your first shortened link. In the URL field, paste the link you want to shorten. Bitly will automatically generate a shortened link for you. Next, you can customize your link for branding purposes. Click on the Customize option located below the generated link. Enter a unique keyword that represents your brand or content. Once you are satisfied with your custom link, click Save. Now, let's set up tracking for your. Click on the link you just created to access its settings. Here, you'll find options for adding tags for better organization. Take a moment to add relevant tags that describe your link. Next, navigate to the Analytics tab to view tracking insights. You can track the number of clicks and engagement over time. If you want to use Bitly for affiliate links, make sure to categorize them. Return to the dashboard and click on your profile icon. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Under Link Management, enable the Custom Domain option if desired. Follow the prompts to set up your branded domain. Once set up, you'll be able to utilize your brand's domain for tracking. Now, whenever you want to create an affiliate link, repeat the previous steps. Paste your affiliate link in the URL field and customize it as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.